good morning everybody. So the project for today is to expand this flower bed. We went ahead last night, my husband tilled all of this up for me. I'm gonna lay some weed barrier, and then we've got a huge load of mulch. We got an entire pallet that someone had purchased and wasn't able to use for $1 per bag. So it was a really great deal we couldn't pass up, which is why we're gonna go ahead and take care of this bed right now, because we need to unload the truck. Step one done. So here's our big load of mulch that we got $1 a bag. Cheap.
$2 a bag for me to unload it.
Well, get going. We're gonna gather some free rocks from the property to line this bed with a little bit.
Water rocks.
Nice.
Oh, that one's split in half. You get two out of that one. This is an ugly one. I don't know if you want that.
It might be good just to put it underneath, because then it'll probably get kind of buried and you won't see it.
I don't even know if it's a real rock.
It's like a piece of concrete or something.
It's a jaggedy rock, but this part's real smooth and rounded.
Looks like a bone. A kneecap.
Where I guess water would run for years and years and years.
Hey girl. You just need some pets. A shovel full of rocks. Watch out, Sadie. Nice. That was free. Good
Free labor from your own property.
Yeah. Alrighty. We can get the truck out of here and move the bench in, and just need to get more rocks to finish up the border. Guys, we just pulled the truck out from unloading some of these rocks. While we're at it, let's go place some more rocks on the other side of the flower beds. Okay, you guys, hot day. We were working through it. Full sun, putting down some rock borders, but it looks awesome. So thank you to the husband for picking up more rocks. I'm so glad to get some of this done. Awesome. How's your fence progress?
I have to take this one out because it's not tall enough. I gotta have at least 53 inch for the hinges to connect, which is probably good because this is bad. And then probably good too because this is really bad.
Oh my.
So, and then all of this link and all of this link needs to come out because that's all got holes in it. Fell down. Oh, that's awesome. Oh.
Well, here's the gate that my husband was building installed. That'll be super helpful to access the upper field. Looking good. So all in all, it's been a pretty productive day. I got the rock border finished on this side of the garden. We were able to add this extension to the garden. Weren't really planning on doing that until we found this really good deal on mulch, so added this whole thing. Laid the weed barrier, threw down the mulch, created our pathway. So just need to cut back this little chunk right here of weed barrier and we're good. I've got some plants that I've been saving. I probably will bring them over here at some point and lay them out and just kind of see what I think I might want to do with the bed and how I want to space some things, see what else I need to buy, that sort of thing. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.